Assuming that you're searching for Chiliz cost expectations gauge for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2030, and need to really know where the costs of Chiliz, CHZ, will truly go from now on, we will basically examine the in every practical sense past costs of Chiliz, CHZ, and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost activities. If it's not too much trouble in every way that really matters, remember that you want to explicitly take this forecast and each and every expectation with the goal that this is just the idea of some market master experts. Also, anticipating something so amazing is totally incomprehensible. However, we will attempt our fundamentally awesome. We should begin amazingly. Chiliz essentially past value investigation. As per the kind of the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of Chiliz is 11 cents, and CHZ is at present basically position number 56 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Chiliz is 6,713,503,543, with a market cap of $721,619,192. With an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Chiliz's cost has shown a decent increment of 1.06% in the sort of most recent 24 hours in a significant manner. Chiliz is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The CHZ is down to nearly 13.72% over the most recent 7 days. The coin basically is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining sections 4 in every practical sense. Recent days, the coin could areas of strength 4 have at the same time. We don't believe that it would a beneficial resource in present moment. Inside the fundamentally most recent 1 month, the cost of CHZ really diminished by 32.099%, wiping out an incredible normal amount of $0.051 from its sort of current worth in an unpretentious manner. This unexpected down implies that the coin is in plunge at the present time, implying that it tends to be a decent truly purchase of valuable open door for speedy venture. The 90 days cost change basically is near 25.20%, and the cost coursed from a base typical cost of 14 cents to most extreme truly normal cost of 15 cents in the especially beyond 90 days, especially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chiliz for the most part is somewhere near 45.47%, with the greatest typical cost of the coin truly was around 23 cents. And the kind of least especially normal cost of in every practical sense was around 20 cents in every practical sense recent months. We foresee future Chiliz cost expectation CHZ estimate by applying especially profound pretty computerized reasoning, helped specialized examination on the past value information of Chiliz. We do our very awesome to in a real sense, gather most extreme verifiable information for the CHZ coin, which incorporate various boundaries like past value, Chiliz market cap, Chiliz volume, and sort of hardly any more. Assuming that you for the most part are hoping to put resources into advanced digital currencies and need great profit from actually your ventures, by and large make a point to peruse our expectations especially. Chiliz value expectation 2023 Chiliz cost is estimate to arrive at a most reduced commonly conceivable degree of 16 cents in 2023 in a by and large enormous manner. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could arrive at a most extreme kind of conceivable degree of 19 cents, with the by and large normal figure cost of 17 cents. Chiliz value forecast 2024 the cost of Chiliz is generally anticipated to reach at least worth of 22 cents in 2024. The Chiliz cost could arrive at a greatest worth of 27 cents, with the typical exchanging cost of 23 cents. All through 2024. CHZ value estimate for 2025, according to the figure and specialized examination, in 2025, the cost of Chiliz especially, is supposed to reach at any rate value worth of 31 cents. The CHZ cost can arrive at a greatest value worth of 38 cents, with the typical worth of 33 cents. Chiliz, CHZ, value expectation 2026. The cost of Chiliz is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of 44 cents in 2026 amazingly. The Chiliz cost could especially arrive at a greatest worth of 53 cents, with the kind of typical exchanging cost of 46 cents, all through 2026, which is genuinely huge. Chiliz value expectation 2027. The cost of Chiliz is essentially anticipated to reach at any rate level of 63 cents in 2027. The Chiliz cost can arrive at a greatest degree of 77 cents, with the typical cost of 65 cents all through 2027, in and in every way that really matters, huge way. Chiliz value expectation 2028. The cost of one Chiliz is supposed to generally reach at a truly least degree of 87 cents in 2028. The CHZ cost can sort of arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.10, with the typical cost of 91 cents, all through 2028. Amazingly, Chiliz CHZ value expectation 2029 Chiliz cost is figure 2 in a real sense, arrive at a least conceivable degree of $1.27 in 2029. According to our discoveries, the CHZ cost could explicitly arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $1.53, with the typical conjecture cost of $1.30. Chiliz value estimate 2030. According to the figure cost and specialized examination, in 2030, the cost of Chiliz explicitly is in a real sense anticipated to reach at a truly least degree of $1.84, or so they thought. The CHZ cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $2.23, with the typical exchanging cost of $1.90, which is very critical. Chiliz CHZ value expectation 2031. As per our especially profound specialized examination on past value information of CHZ, in 2031, the cost of Chiliz is anticipated to reach at a truly least degree of $2.61. The CHZ cost can for the most part arrive at a greatest degree of $3.18, with the typical exchanging cost of $2.70, which is very huge. Chiliz value expectation 2032. As per our especially profound specialized examination on past value information of CHZ, in 2032, the cost of Chiliz is gauged to be at around and in every way that really matters, least worth of $4.01. Incredibly, the Chiliz value worth can explicitly arrive at a limit of $4.53, with the typical exchanging worth of $4.12 in United States dollars. Chiliz value conjecture facts. What amount will Chiliz be really worth in 5 years? In 5 years, Chiliz will in every practical sense have a genuinely least cost of 77 cents and an extremely greatest cost of 63 cents per CHZ. Incredibly, since Chiliz is exchanged on a market interest premise, its worth varies radically. What is the eventual fate of Chiliz? The fate of Chiliz is profoundly kind of ward on the general execution of the crypto business in an unpretentious manner. With regards to putting resources into CHZ, you want to ensure that you are utilizing the right system. This sort of speculation isn't appropriate for those with a helter-skelter risk profile. Nonetheless, still a fantastic venture for those have a high capacity to bear risk and a really strong monetary position. Notwithstanding its theoretical nature, CHZ likewise offers openness to a worldwide innovation and a steadily developing biological system. What generally is the Chiliz cost today? Today Chiliz, CHZ, basically is exchanging at 11 cents, with the market cap of $721